Hi girls, today I will show you how to use this cute birds pattern leather to make something really nice. It's a very nice famous brand leather. Maybe you will guess which brand uses this leather. And I will show you how to make a wallet from this leather. The tricky part is to use this leather the way the birds to be shown very nicely and to not cut them. I will use for the first time this pattern. It will be a wallet. It will have some inside card holder parts. It will look like this. Okay, let's start to try how the birds will look. It's really tricky, but we will try. I have to double check where are the birds. It's done, so let's draw the pattern and cut the birds. I hope it will look nice with the birds. So the big part is cut and we have to apply it like this. Folded, the wallet will look this way. The birds are on their places. For the card holder, I will use this piece of pale pink leather. So the one part will be made of this leather. I have a pattern, draw it, and cut the pattern. It will have a normal shape like this. And for the other part of the card holder, I will use this dark purple leather. It will be a nice combination because we have the same colors on the birds. I'm making this for the first time, so let's see how it will look when we put all the parts together. So purple and pink part for the card holder, that's okay. And now on the bird's leather it will be like this. So we have to fix the parts with glue. So our card holder has the right shape. and a little bit more glue on the back side to fix it, because we have to stitch it. Now we have to find the place where the card holder will be stitched. Let's fold it to check. It's okay. Now we have to stitch the card holder. It's ready. It's time to cut the threads. Don't forget it. And also we have to fix them. Now we have to put some glue to fold the wallet. And it will be made like this. I made the marks. The one side is ready. Now the other side. And now the card holder side. Fix it the same way. And our wallet will look like this. The birds are here. It looks nice. So let's see what will happen when we stitch them. But first, don't forget to hammer it. Yes. I'm almost done with the stitching. Stitch both sides like this. Trim the threads. And we are almost done. Our wallet will look like this. The card holder is okay. Now let's try with some credit cards to put them on their places. This one is okay. You can use it for visit cards. Or ID card, or some other cards. It's okay. Let's add another one. It's fine like this. And now my surprise for you. I have a pink bird's cosmetic bag. You can see it. It's very cute. It's made using the same bird leather. You can make a set. It will be a wonderful gift for somebody you love. It's a small cute bag, as you see. And let's try something else. This is another pink bag. It's a cute mini saddle bag. Also a nice set from my shop. Let's try how it will look inside with pockets, and also we can put the wallet inside. There is enough place. And this is my pink collection for you. All the items you can find them in my shops. You can make somebody very happy. Here they are, all the birds and pink bags. That's all for today. We did our work. Our pink collection is ready. If you like my video, subscribe, leave comments, like. I'll be happy if you have some questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.